Hi guys, my name is Whitney Kmetz and I'm an educator out of CCE Shenango. Today I'm going to prepare a recipe for you called quick guacamole. And the reason I chose this one is because avocados were actually on sale this week at Aldi's. So I just started cutting up one of the avocados. Avocados, a good way to know if they're ripe is on the end. You'll see if it's the brown, and it's a little bit of give too. So if it's got a little bit of give, it's gonna be ripe. If it's green, you're gonna have a couple more days before you're gonna wanna try to get that out, okay? A good way to do it is cutting the avocado right in the center. And so when you cut it in the center, just gonna go down and around, and that pit is gonna be in the middle. And then you can just use both hands and twist. And by doing that, you're gonna open it right up. Then what you're gonna do is just scoop all of your innards right out into your bowl here. Okay, and that was a nice one because it all just came right out for us. The safest way to take out the pit, honestly, would be just to use a spoon if you want. Now, something that's extremely important when we're working with any fruits and vegetables is we want to make sure that we're washing them. And the reason is because we're not really sure where they were or what was on them. So it's extremely important to make sure that you are washing them, okay? So this is 2 avocados I have in here now. The next ingredient is going to be 1 can of diced tomatoes with green chilies. First, before I add that though, what I would like to do is I'm going to just mash this up, okay? And this would be personal preference. And so some people, they may prefer to put it through a food processor. I would rather just give it a nice mash. Give it a little bit of consistency still versus something that's smooth. And the fork just works best. Okay. And so what we're going to do is I am going to add in the 1 can of diced tomatoes with green chilies that I have drained already. So I'm going to add that right in for you. Okay. And the next ingredient is going to be 2 teaspoons of fresh garlic. Buying a jar like this is very inexpensive if you're going to use it right away. And so this is already minced, ready to go. So I'm just going to add in 2 teaspoons of this. And then last but not least, there is some lime juice, and that's honestly for the preservation. So it calls for a tablespoon. You can put it in if you're not going to serve it right away, or you don't have to put it in. It's completely up to you. I'll put it in for today. Okay. And then what we're going to do is we're going to give this just a nice stir. So stir it all together. And you can see this beautiful color in this bowl here. It's fabulous color. Okay. And voila. There we have some quick guacamole.